Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy, my channel's Finding Value. If you like making lots of money, this is the channel for you. Subscribe, comment below, give me a thumbs up, do all that cool stuff if you like this content. I'm going to go over the hypothetical portfolio, what I would be looking at, what some of the companies I would be adding to into the hypothetical portfolio, and why I'm adding it to it. So I'm going to jump into the hypothetical portfolio here. This is my portfolio, and what I would be adding to, I put some at the top. When I was talking about Open Door, I added it when I was talking about it yesterday. Same with Free Gold Ventures. I saw that pop today, pretty good. Two Door Gold, a Deep Yellow, I would add to that one. I added that one in when I was charting it out yesterday. Yesterday or 2 days ago? What was that? That was 2 days ago, sorry. Because I think it's going to break out of its chart pattern. It's looking pretty good. Scrolling down, seeing what I've got. Did I add TGB? I would add to that one. That chart looks very good. So I added to TGB to Seco Mines. TMQ looked like it was doing pretty good. Scrolling down. Ely Gold, I added to Ely Gold. That one looks pretty good. I think I added to one more. Oh, FSM, I added there. So I added to FSM and MMNGF I added to. Thought that one's looking pretty good. And I've started to add in. So what you're noticing is I'm starting to add into some of the gold and silver mining companies. I know uranium's gone up quite a bit. Oil and gas is kind of on the move. And I'm starting to focus my efforts on things that aren't moving as much. So silver, gold, the precious metals. I mean, obviously platinum had an incredibly good day. But silver, I'm very interested in. I think it's still down. Even some of the gold mining companies, I think those look pretty good. I'm going to open up. I call this the hypothetical portfolio. I'm going to show you some charts and why I'm adding them. So here's the hypo. So TMQ, I just wanted to show that one. I know I added that one a little while ago, but it's breaking out. I added it here on this bullish engulfing that I was talking about. And here we go. We're moving. So it's looking pretty good there, TMQ. To Seco Mines, I kind of drew this in real quick. We're right there, I think, trying to break out. I think it looks pretty good. I'm adding in before the breakout because that's what I do is I add in before the breakout. So that's TGB. I mean, if I were playing options, I'd wait for the break, wait for the back test, and then I would put it on. But since I'm an investor, investing in stock, I would just, I'm putting money in now. Open Door was one. This was the chart that I showed everybody. I would have bought it this day right here on 2.9 as it's breaking out. Westwater Resources, I added that one as well. It's looking pretty good. This is a big picture view. It broke out. We're doing this U pattern. I think we're putting in a handle right now on a very short-term basis. So it may take a little bit more, but I'm adding in a little bit to Westwater Resources. Metallic minerals, this is what the chart pattern looks like. It broke this very large chart pattern to the upside, and we're kind of just sitting there going sideways. I buy stuff when it's out of favor and not many people are looking at it. So I'm just adding in. Teuton Resources looks good. Here's the support line going across. I like it. The chart pattern looks good. I've been cost averaging into Teuton Resources over time. I think it looks great to go higher. We just need gold and silver to get kicked in the nuts, I guess. Free Gold Ventures, same thing. Came all the way back to this line. I added some right in here. February 8th or 9th is when I did it. Ely Gold, same way. See how this thing's pulling back and we're hitting into a support area. I think that looks great. So I added a little bit in there. And that's all I've got for the hypothetical portfolio and what this looks at. So what I am doing is I don't chase things. I don't chase price. I really do not like chasing prices. If things go way up, I do not chase them. I do not buy them. Like the cannabis stocks, those have gone way up. I'm not chasing those. There's no way I'd put any money in it. I'm not chasing Bitcoin or Ethereum or any of those cryptocurrencies. What I do is I look for things that they have good chart breaks. They're back testing or retesting a big chart pattern. They've broken decade-long chart patterns like AG, First Majestic would look pretty good. Endeavor Silver looks good. Fortuna Silver Mines. Taseko Mines looks pretty good. I like these big chart breaks right before they break. I'm buying them. Deep Yellow is another one. So I'm cost averaging in. I'm getting that in there to get my shares before the break. Now going back to the Yahoo Finance, we're up 18.55%. I think that actually went down since I added some of these companies in that are all new. It was up 22%. We're up 2.44% on the day, and it's still changing because it's right at 2. But this is what it looks like. That's where I would be adding my money and looking at potential opportunities. So I could show you all these different charts. I'm not going to, but uranium looks like may pull back a little bit, may keep going. I mean, there's a lot of momentum there. It's tough to say which way uranium's going to go. Obviously, I'm not selling a dang thing. It's far too cheap. The thing to keep in mind is you just got to hold on. You just got to hold on. When the valuations are cheap, you buy it and cost average in, you accumulate shares, and then you sell them when they become overvalued, which is, I think, 5-10 years down the future. I know that seems like a long time. I know that some of you guys are not used to holding onto companies for that long. It seems like an eternity to some people, not to me, but to some. But I am in it. I want to win this, and I am building portfolios and building companies in my portfolio in uranium, oil and gas, a little bit of graphite, graphene, and precious metals and royalty companies as well. And also some base metals, nickel, copper, stuff like that. So hopefully you like this content. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Give me a thumbs up, and I appreciate you listening. Thank you, and this is Finding Value.